All right, so Andy is doing his first F-18 FPV flight. I think he likes it.
It's amazing. Oh, I'm looking at the wing.
You going to show that?
Oh my lands, that is so cool. Oh my lands. Oh, I heard it.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Holy crap.
This has the DJI goggles and camera, and the motion sick head tracker unit and gimbal. So I did my first FPV flight earlier this morning on Andy's Stearman, and if you don't remember, we're actually going to be doing formation flying with RF-18s and FPV at some point. This is Andy's first flight with FPV in his jet, so he's just getting used to it.
Hi guys.
All right, so Andy just did his first touch and go FPV, and it was beautiful. So we're gonna watch him screw this one up.
You're high. Still, you're dropping.
You're fine. You're at about 10 feet right now. You're over the runway. Attitude looks good. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh man, that was sweet. Go around, man. You got juice left.
I gotta calm the nerves. That was awesome.
You got plenty of juice.
Looking out that left wing, going and then coming over the top.
Yeah, coming over the end of the runway.
They don't allow taxi in here. I mean, I'll probably shut it down here.
Yeah, you probably stop at the
Yeah,
fences while there's people here.
yeah. Dude, awesome.